sa ating developing story number 2, ito na nga po no? So, ang Roel of Malalag ng Rochelle, graduate na. Ayun nga po, no? So, super proud po ang ating Roel kay Rochelle sa kanyang pag-graduate. And then, graduating is such a big accomplishment in life, no? So, I know that, like, without Roel support, just being there to support Rochelle, it's so good. Kasi 'di ba parang sometimes being a student, you have so much stuff going on in your life. And it's a good thing that somebody's supporting you. So, sobrang bongga yung nangyari kay Rochelle. At tuwang-tuwa din ang mga netizens sa mga Kalingap supporters ni Rochelle na nakatapos siya. Opo. Opo. Ang hindi lang talaga, ang pinagtataka ko lang po talaga no. Ito pong iba pong may mga live streamer pa rin po mga react na nag-aaway-away pa din. So mga bilisang chika, oh my gosh, kailangan ko uminom ng tubig. Kasi ang dami ichichika natin. Ang pinakamalakasang chika nga po dyan dun sa Rochelle is that how should I say this? Sa mga reaction, ay Diyos ko, kahapon ang dami-dami ko pinanood na reactors na nag-aaway-away. So parang nakaka-stress siya ng very light. Kasi tawag dito, now I understand. So remember, we did a coverage of Batang Hamog. We did a coverage of Ingrata de Ortiz regarding this issue. And ang napansin ko po dun sa pangyayari is that these reactors are trying to make reaction para lang, hindi ko alam ba, parang feeling ko wala na ngang issue Opo, feeling ko wala na ngang issue, yung parang nakamove on na yung lahat, but people are still making context out of it. So kahapon po, pinanood ko po si Kuya Val. So Kuya Val make a good explanation about what's happening. Batang Hamog did some good explanation to about what's happening. So ang ZT cover po, hindi na po tayo makikisaw-saw sa mga pangyayari, no? Kasi I'm here to support Roel, Malalag, and Rochelle just for the support kasi I really enjoy their content. Pero yung makikipag-away, papanoorin yung live nila. Mega love shoutout kay The Gaming Lab. Thank you so much for coming. Nasa harang pa daw. Pero yun nga, parang sobrang toxic na. Opo. Pero asa Marites, syempre hindi ko pa rin napipigilan talaga makichika-chika dun sa mga live na yun, no? Opo. Pero i-focus po natin, we're switching gear po ng very light. Or actually, we're switching gears just reacting to Roel, Malalag na lang din talaga. Hindi sa mga reactor. Kasi parang nakakapagod panoorin yung mga live nila. Ang dami nilang sinasabi doon. Parang paikot-ikot na lang yung mga kwento, no? Although, okay, let's just say as a content creator, it's such a hot topic. Kasi diba nga, we wanna know what's happening. Even myself, I like watching those content. Kaso nga lang, hindi na talaga kaya ng energy natin makipagsabayan doon sa lahat ng mga tawag dito. Yung mga nagre-react sila doon sa... Ang haba talaga kasi one time, I enjoy Ate Marlene. Ate Marlene is such a funny host. Batang Hamog is such a funny host. Si Val, he is also such a funny host. So, it's entertaining, yes. It's entertaining kasi nga lang ang haba dahil 5 hours yung mga labanan ng live. Parang nakapag-bingo na si Karen. Natapos na si Karen. Pumuti na ang Kevin Crew. Okay na. Pumuti na ang uwak. Hindi pa tapos ang mga live. Hindi ko talaga kinaya. Sorry guys. I love you guys so much. Pero hindi ko talaga kaya magstay ng ganong katagal. Opo. Pero for my viewers po here and that enjoy the Roel Malalag content, don't worry, we're still gonna continue doing a reaction video for Roel Malalag. It just so happens that nakakapagod panoorin yung mga live, and I think I'm gonna focus on the positive side of Roel Malalag na it's a charity channel, no? Hindi siya drama channel. And then I think we have to stop the norm na din na parang we tolerate these reactors just for the chismis. Kasi hindi siya talaga maganda. It's not healthy at all. I think personally for me, when I was dissecting the two lives in the past few days, ni Ingrata de Ortiz and si Batang Hamog, yes, it's good to have insights about what's happening, and I love it so much, and I learn so much from what the behind the scene of the behind the scene of tawag dito, yung behind the scene of the content world, pero I don't think I wanna be on focusing onto that one. So we're gonna be focusing with Roel na lang. And again, congratulations kay Rochelle. So proud of you. Good job, good job. And then our last topic of the day. Eto na nga po guys, no? Mabilis ang chika. May live streamer daw. May live streamer daw. Eto po, di umano po, no? Nasagap lang natin to. Nasagap lang natin to kahapon. Kasi may nagchika sa atin, no? Ay, nako. May nagchika sa atin ng balitang to. Ito na nga po guys, kapit na dahil heto na. Diyos ko, dahil kahapon daw, sabi ng eto naman nababalita ko lang. Kung gusto niyong pangalanan ko, press 1, no? Kung gusto niyong pangalanan ko po tayo sa press 1, sabi sa balita, may isang live streamer daw nasa YT Small YouTube community. Ay, clue number 1. Nakikipag-cyber chururot daw gamit ang stream. Nakikipag-cyber daw gamit yung